Heavy-duty truck tuning tools explained. Flex, KESS3, or AutoTuner. Hey everyone, this is Hussein, and I welcome you to Baabji Motors, your ultimate hub for automobile diagnostics and programming tools. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that many professional tuners, fleet managers, and truck enthusiasts often ask about: heavy-duty truck tuning. We'll explore three major tools: Flex, KESS3, and AutoTuner, and see which one really holds up when it comes to handling global truck protocols. Before we get started, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is purely for educational purposes. Everything shown is meant to guide and inform technicians, learners, and enthusiasts. We follow fair use, and all trademarks belong to their respective owners. Always follow manufacturer guidelines and local laws when working on vehicles. Also, if you want the exact tools I demonstrate in this video, check out the links in the description. They're tagged with my affiliate products. Supporting the channel through these links helps keep Baabji Motors running at no extra cost to you. Now here's a question to think about. When it comes to heavy-duty truck tuning, which tool truly stands out? Flex, KESS3, or AutoTuner? Stick around till the end, because I'll not only answer that, but also share a tip that most tuners overlook. Let's start with Flex. Flex, with its dedicated FLS 0.15 license, supports over 200 heavy-duty truck protocols, and that number keeps growing with every major update. For example, version 7.21.0.0 added more than 10 new Cummins variants. Flex covers brands like DF, Scania, Mercedes trucks with Continental CPC3 EVO, Freightliner with CPC4, Iveco, Dodge, Kenworth, JCB, and Agrol. Its modes include OBD, OBD Full, Bench, and Boot. The strength of Flex is its broad global truck coverage and its ability to handle repair and cloning for damaged ECUs, TCUs, and CPC units. However, it does come at a higher cost for the master version, and updates are subscription-based. Next, we have KESS3 with truck and agriculture activation. KESS3 supports more than 150 heavy-duty vehicles, adding 5 to 10 new protocols per update. Examples include International with Continental SID 908, Fauj with SID 605, Hino and Ashok Leyland with Denso modules, Scania with Motorola EMS10 and EC3 ACM, Freightliner Cascadia, Paccar with CM1881 ACM, JCB with Delphi DCM 7.24, and DF, Peterbilt, and Kenworth. KESS3 works in OBD, bench, and boot modes. It is versatile for mixed fleets, including trucks, agriculture, and even marine applications. It provides fast OBD reads and cloning support. The limitation is that truck and tractor activation requires a separate paid subscription, roughly $1,300 per year, including updates, and it places less emphasis on TCU repair. Then we have AutoTuner, which has a much narrower focus. It supports only a few modules and is primarily targeted at light-duty or specific Asian trucks. Supported models include JCB with 4.4 and 4.8-liter turbo diesels, Dongfeng/Yuchai 2.4-liter TD, Great Wall/Havel 2.0-liter TD, Photon/Vanche 2.4-liter TD, and Jiangling/Isuzu 2.8 and 3.0-liter TD engines. AutoTuner works primarily via OBD and bench modes with limited boot support. Its strength is affordability and speed for the supported models, but its coverage is narrow, mostly post-2014 Asian and light trucks, and it lacks strong TCU or cloning capabilities. So, when it comes to heavy-duty truck coverage, Flex leads the pack, followed by KESS3, with AutoTuner trailing far behind. For European trucks, Flex is excellent, especially for Mercedes Euro 6 trucks, allowing full OBD reads. KESS3 is strong for mixed fleets and is quite fast on OBD operations, but you need separate activation for truck protocols. AutoTuner is best left for newer Asian or light trucks rather than full heavy-duty fleets. If you're serious about heavy-duty truck tuning, you'll also need other tools like Fox Genius or Transdata for additional heavy-duty protocols. Here's a little fun observation. Working with these tools sometimes feels like assembling IKEA furniture. Instructions are there, but figuring out which module goes where can get a bit creative. Now, to answer the question we asked earlier, for heavy-duty truck tuning, Flex is generally the most comprehensive and versatile tool. KESS3 comes close with strong mixed fleet coverage, but requires additional activations, and AutoTuner is quite limited and better suited for specific light-duty or Asian trucks. In my opinion, if your focus is European or global heavy-duty trucks, investing in Flex with a dedicated heavy-duty license is worth it, while KESS3 is ideal if you handle mixed fleets with trucks, tractors, and marine applications. AutoTuner is convenient for smaller operations, but won't scale well for serious heavy-duty work. Here's a fun fact for you. The latest Alien Tech updates for KESS3 now allow for seamless cloning of certain tractor ECUs, making fleet management and ECU replacement much faster than ever before. Before we wrap up, I want to challenge you all. Let's hit 10,000 likes and 1,000 comments on this video. Share your thoughts on which tool you prefer, any experiences you've had, or just hype this video so more technicians discover it. And don't forget to check the description for the exact tools and products I used, linked through my affiliate tags, so you can grab the same gear while supporting Baabji Motors. Thanks for sticking with me till the end. Keep exploring, keep learning, and as always, happy diagnosing.